as a channel. Today we're going to fix the usual problem in ChatGPT that's saying unusual activity is detected in your account. So basically it's pretty simple fix. First off, we will try by refreshing as a simple matter, refreshing ChatGPT. I'm trying again. Second one, we're going to load out and then log back in, as you can see. Third, if you have a VPN, please turn it off. It could be the number one causing this issue. Also, you can try waiting from 10 to 30 minutes and try again. So the logs auto clear. And if you have a Wi-Fi network, try switching it off to the mobile one. If it keeps coming back, change your password or check your email for any security notice. Or perhaps you can contact OpenAI support from the help menu. And this error does not usually mean you're banned or in trouble. It's just a protective fellow for OpenAI. Thank you guys. We'll see you back in another video.